Welcome to Hollywood, be! Hi guys, welcome to Hollywood! Ano ba yan? Puro ka namang kiss. Babalik ko sa'yo. Babalik ko sa'yo yung kiss. Ito po yung ating outfit. Hindi ko na po kinaya. Hinubad ko na ang ating alay lakad. Tapos na po.
You could lie, but lying only buys you so much time. You could hurt, but hurting's never gonna make it fine. You could shake, but try and shake it off all you can. You might fake, it's never gonna make you understand. I don't care what you do, but here's a tip from me to you. Look your failures in the eye, only way to say goodbye. Once you lift them from your heart, you could have a brand new start, it's true. This is real.
Hi be, it's si Francis Kennedy and welcome back to my channel. So ngayon be, ano tayo be sa Hollywood and tayo ngayon ay mag-tour dito sa Hollywood para makita yung mga bahay ng mga celebrities. Yung driver namin dito be, ang asawa niya raw Pinay. Kaya pala alam niya yung Bisaya. Yes! Grabe yung mga sakin dito be, oh, taray. Lamborghini.
Don't worry, I'll show you houses though. For the four members, so what? Gonna fight out Marshmallow Man. There you go. By the way, guys, over to my left hand side, come all the way to
Oh
back.
my God, the Hollywood sign.
Everybody got that?
Actually, be, munti na kami maiwan neto. Dumating kami. Super buzzer beater. 10 a.m. ang tour. 10 a.m. Impunto kami dumating. Grabe, kinabahan nga ako na maiwan kami. Shoutout sa mga kabidyo ko nila kay Kim at saka kay Sheila Makeup Estrano. Buti na lang guys, nag-jacket ako, malamig. Ganda ng tour na to, Ben, no? Ikot-ikot kami ng mga bahay. Ito talaga yung house tour. Grabe, puro bahay pa talaga ito ng mga artist ng Ben Affleck. So, dito daw, be, para you can pretend that you speak Spanish. Sabi mo na, hi, Primo. Diyan yung bahay ni Steve Harvey. Ito na yung house tour, Ben. Ang nakita lang talaga namin mga garage at mga gate. Diba? So, ngayon naman din pupunta tayo sa may Sunset Strip at saka sa may Hollywood Hill. So, supposedly para sa tour na to, be, ang makikita natin yung bahay. Kaya ako siya binook. Makikita yung mga bahay nila Johnny Depp, nila Katy Perry. Tapos, it's gonna be 2 hours. Pero hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya, sobrang pa-spacing. Siguro dahil syempre ang hirap din dahil privacy rin naman ng mga celebrity yung ating pinook. Privacy rin ng mga celebrity yung ini-invade ng tour na to, di ba? Kasi kita yung bahay nila. Pero well, that's how it is here in Hollywood. Ganun talaga.
Location for Scarf. No one's ever gonna bring you up here unless it's me. Why? Because I know
Isang
my way
bedroom.
around. Remember I told you that if I rob a bank and I can get you away with it? You bought this property on my left hand side right now because the Kardashians and Jenners have an office near Santa Monica and La Cienega. Who bought this property on my left hand side? It's called Bad Bunny. Remember that Puerto Rican singer? Bad Bunny lives on my left hand side. Do I like that dude? Don't take a picture of him. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Loud, bro.
Yung mga bahay nila dito, yung iba, hindi maganda yung labas. Kaya para wala, pero siguro sa loob yung magic. Tsaka madalas siguro wala naman sila sa bahay nila. Ba nagtutour lang din sila sa mundo.
Like this house on my right hand side? Do I like that G-Wagon on my right hand side? I don't know who lives here, but they were saying who lives on my right hand side is gonna be Chandler Handler. That van belongs to Joe Coy, the Filipino comedian.
Oh.
The green SUV.
Okay,
Everybody
joke
ready?
ko yan.
He actually, Joe Coy lives on the other side of Studio City. I know exactly where he lives.
Mag-joke sana ka ba't kay Taylor kaso mapagalit si Jokoy. Chok.
Everybody off at $350,000. It's from England. By the way, those tires look flat, but those additional rims can cost you $50,000 extra. Do I like that car? I do. Am I driving? Let's go. Ain't that right, Ireland? Yeah. There you go. What you guys gonna be noticing up there on my left hand side, Halle Berry sold her property for $41.5 million. She's going through a divorce. She has problems with her
Halle
husband. You like her
Berry.
house out there?
Pero binenta niya na daw.
Tennessee, Ireland, Australia. Let's take that down under, mate. Let's roll. Vivo! Let's roll. No, that I'm
Again, nakita natin dito sa bahay ng Kardashians at saka yung bahay ni Christina Aguilera. Grabe.
Behind you guys.
Feels
Do I
so
like time
close.
too? You can't see nothing, but I try to show you as much as possible.
Yeah, dadaan tayo sa bahay ni Taylor Swift.
Everybody ready?
Yung bahay ni Taylor, oh my God. Can you just mag-quotes Taylor? Walang Taylor ba? Taylor!
You guys like?
Dadaan tayo sa bahay ni RuPaul, guys.
Nice house, right?
Yeah.
If you don't believe me, you can go to Reader's Digest and they're going to be telling you about his house on my right hand.
Bahay ni RuPaul. Can I get an amen?
You need to be making anywhere from $20,000 to $35,000 a month.
$6.5 million.
Now the property's worth $10 million, like this one on my right hand side, $10 million.
$10
then you
million.
need to be making anywhere from 160 to 250 plus a month. At the end of the property of $6.5
$10 million
million,
yan, be.
the property.
Oh.
By the way,
Nasa Rodeo, drive na tayo, be. Oh, Christian Louboutin. Wow. Look at the brands here. Diba? Oh my God. Ralph Lauren. Wow.
Over to my left hand side, I'll be Louis Vuitton for gentlemen. That is your store, my left hand side. Don't be confused. They also have something.
Wow.
Goyard on my right hand side has been here. It's one of the oldest British stores on my right hand side called Goyard. Their travel luggages and suitcases started off in about.
Parang nakaka-pressure naman tong lugar na to. Be, simpleng tao lang naman ako. Ito, bag ko nga hindi branded. Tapos puro branded yung mga mga bagay-bagay dito.
That's about a 5 on my left hand side. It's covered. Diamond red.
So ito be, naglalakad tayo ngayon dito sa may Walk of Fame. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Grabe, oh. The name of the stars and the celebrities here. Oh my God.
Johnny Depp.
Sino? Ay, no, Johnny Depp. Oh. Ayan, hi guys. Welcome to Jollibee. So tara, kain muna tayo dito. Umorder kami ng pagkain. Sabi ko adobo rice.
Oo nga.
Ano mo yung resibo? Asa yung resibo, di ba? Kinuha niya ba? Dito. Steam rice ang nilagay nga niya. So guys, hindi na namin ipakita yung pagkain namin kasi alam niyo naman kung ano to. Yay! Jollibee Spag. Rich mango. Kung nagkamali siya, ito yung regular, oh.
I
was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hi, be! So, dito na tayo ngayon, be, naman sa may baba ng Hollywood signage. Kita nyo ba? Ayun. Ayan, so, mag-hike tayo ngayon dito, be, at nakakaloka. Dahil ang suot ko, be, ay... Charan! Ayan po ang ating suot. So, actually, pakiramdam ko nga, hindi na ito kailangan talaga i-tour. Pero, si Bakla, tinur guide. So, si Bakla, nag-decide, ito ang ginawa. So, nag-book po ako ng tour para pagpunta doon. Akala ko kasi mag-meet kami sa gitna ganyan. Hindi pala, halos parang gano'n din. Camera naman niya pupunta dito. So, mag-hike kami papunta dyan sa sign. And we will see kung kakayanin natin to. Mga decision po sa life talaga minsan. Ito po yung mga kasama natin sa tour. And ito po yung kasama ko sa buhay. Ay! Ano ba yan? Puro ka namang kiss. Babalik ko sa'yo. Babalik ko sa'yo. Babalik ko sa'yo yung kiss. Ito po yung ating outfit. So it's gonna be 8 kilometers walk, be. Mula dito sa baba, pabalik. Pupunta sa taas, pabalik dito sa baba. 8 kilometers, be, na naka-heels. Gusto mo yun? Ang bilis naman ng lakad na yun. Kasi usually, mabagal ako maglakad. So we will see. Sabi naman nila, pupunta tayo sa pinakamalapit na part para magkaroon ng magandang picture ng Hollywood. Then pupunta tayo sa taas naman ng word na Hollywood para makita yung magandang view ng LA. Eto, Bema, sabi ko, itong tour na to, pang groups to, hindi to pwede mag-isa ka lang dito. Kasi grupo-grupo sila. Kung mag-isa lang ako dito, left out ako. Camera lang kasama ko talaga. Di ba?
Never be alone.
Pag ako nag-travel, wala ka, yari ka. Never be alone. Amazing Hollywood. Di ba? Sabi nila, we appreciate your effort, Francis, for dressing up. Sabi ko, mali kasi yung pagkakaintindi ko eh. Hindi na siya guys nagdadamit, oh. Diba? At least nakikita nyo, Amerika talaga to, hindi to Montalban. Sabihin nyo, nasa Montalban lang ako.
What's wrong? We're gonna be tired. If you do that, you're gonna get tired. You're gonna literally take all your energy.
Yung mga bilat dito sa amin, nagtatanong sa akin kanina, hindi ka ba nahihirapan sa suot mo? Sabi ko, hindi. Normal lang to pang araw-araw. Sabi ko, lalandian ko pa ilakad ko para makita nila na hindi ako nahihirapan. Sobrang panggap. Ito naging tiis ganda. Tiis ganda, Hollywood level. Diba? Para lang po kami pupunta ng Mount Binakayan. At least kahit ganito guys, walang tapilok, diba? Hindi ako natatapilok, yun yung mahalaga. Dapat walk with poise. Poise, tama ba? Braga is dapat ganito. Walk, win, hike. Okay. Kala namin wala nang hagdan naman. Ito yung kalaban ko, hagdan. Ay, akala ko hagdan. Okay. Ay, hagdan nga. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't mention it.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken.
Welcome to Hollywood, be. Hi guys, welcome to Hollywood.
You take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel
So according
so
ba sa history na itong Hollywood signage na to, no? Tingin ka dito sa akin camera. So ang history na itong Hollywood signage na ito talaga, babe, hindi talaga siya itinayo dito para maging landmark. Tinayo talaga siya dito para, ay, ang sweet naman, may umalalay sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung nakuha sa camera, napindot ko yung stop. Anyway, so, ang history talaga niya, hindi siya tinayo para maging landmark dito sa LA. Pero, itinayo nila yan para magkaroon ng advertising yung isang company ng pabahay, ganyan, housing company, na nakasuot pa dyan before, like, 100 years ago, kasi for this year, magiging 101 years na itong signage na ito. So, itinayo lang yan as signage before ng Hollywood Land. And then, dahil naging maganda na siyang landmark, ginamit na sa mga pelikula dati, ganyan, they decided to keep it. Minsan talaga yung maakala mong temporary lang, magiging permanent. Tapos yung maakala mong permanent, magiging temporary. Ano ba yan? Ako nang hingal nito, be. Tapos mula nun, be, kinip na nila yan, binago na nila ng ilang beses, mula sa kahoy, naging Hollywood, ay naging aluminum, yung Hollywood sign, pagod na. And then, ang ginawa nila, dahil kuripot daw talaga tong government nila dito, kaya nga yung kalsada nila dito, bako-bako. Diyos ko, so, sabi nila, ginawa na raw na batas na bawal hawakan yung signage para hindi na lang nila i-repair. Galing. So, dapat meron din tayong mga ganyan. Huwag na natin hawakan para hindi na masira. Ay ka pa ba?
Oo, ikaw, ang paa mo.
Naglalakad tayo eh. Hindi pa po namin ma-perfect yung paghawak kamay. Yeng paturo naman. Sa taas kasi makikita guys yung mas magandang view daw ng city. So, okay. So, andito tayo ngayon guys sa likod ng Hollywood sign. And the question is, tingnan nyo muna. Ito na guys yung Hollywood sign. We made it. Baby, we made it. Oh, we're so close yet so far. And may CCTV pa siya, oh. Pansin nyo ba dyan? Per letter may CCTV back and forth. Ang tanong ng bayan, worth it ba ang paglalakad ng naka-heels sa likod ng Hollywood sign dito sa LA? Hindi.
Kaya mo pa.
Kaya ko naman. Bakit? Pag hindi ko na ba kaya, okay lang sa'yo?
Bubuhatin ko.
Bubuhatin mo ako. Huwag mo ako hawakan.
Carry you.
Huwag mo ako hawakan.
Basa-basa.
Basang-basa yung likod ko. Gripo ako minsan.
Sige.
That's why I'm so juicy. Of information. And happiness. Ha? Happiness?
Okay.
Yes. Ano yun?
Where are we heading? Higher?
Oh. Walang zipline ba dito pababa? Or paragliding pababa? Ganyan. Sabi ko talaga sa inyo eh. Parang ano lang to eh. Binakayan. Muntalban. Ah, we made it.
Yes, we made it!
Ouch. Wow. We did it.
You hiked this shit with them?
Yeah, this is a choice. A decision. And a mistake. So, we're here.
I'll sign it.
Finally. Baba mo lang. Baba mo lang.
I'm leaving space for the one.
Barin kayo? Ay, no.
So he's in Orange County. He's a big Trump guy.
Hollywood. LA. So we were there earlier.
Yeah.
We were also there on this side. Guys, hindi ko na po kinaya. Hinubad ko na ang ating alay lakad. Tapos na po. Ito na. Tara, dali na natin maglakad. Yung paa ko ngayon, pagod na. Pero ang lamig, parang pasma ata abuti ko dito. Sobrang lamig ng ano nila, lupa. Pero kasi mamimili ako. Mapapasma o mapuputol yung pa ako dito kakalakad. Okay na lang to. Sana wag lang masugat yung pa ako. Okay na yan. Magkano puts pa dito? $75 na yung puts pa dito. Para papatusin ko na yung foot massage. At dyan na nga nagtatapos itong ating video, be. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video, huwag nyo kalimutang i-like, share, at syempre mag-subscribe ka na. At syempre bago matapos ang ating video, pang malakas ang shoutout muna sa ating mga channel members. Mark Angelo Molina, George Enseni, Serenity Yo, Angeli, Ivy Jovelar, M. Oliveros, Johan Castro, ZZZZZ, Ronilyn Quijana, Jovis Vlog, Jennifer Renara, Cecil Garcia, Joy Novello, Catherine Hanna Official, Half Filipino Austriano, and Mariluz Abiton. Kung gusto mo rin ma-shoutout, be, tulad nila, huwag mong kalimutang mag-join lang. Click mo lang yung join button at voila! Kaya naman until next time, see you sa next video! O, teka, huwag ka mahiya. Click mo na yan, dali. Panoorin mo na yan, dali. Click, 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 click.